friends. Today I thought we would do some fun action alphabet and talk about some letter sounds and putting sounds together to make words. But first, let's go ahead and pray our prayer that we usually say to start the day. Dear God, be with me today as I work, as I play. Teach me to be kind and good and do the things that I should. Amen. All right, I don't have my music with me. It's at school, so stand up if you want to join me with this one. Okay, are we ready, friends? A for apple, A. B for bounce, B. C for cut, K. D for dig, D. E for elbow, E. F for fan, G for gallop, G. H for hot, I for itch, I. J for jump, J. K for kick, K. L for love, M for munch, N for nod, O for opera, P for push, Q for quiet, Qua. R for run, S for so, T for talk, U for upside down, V for volley, V. W for wiggle, W. X for x-ray, X. Y for yawn, ya. Z for zigzag, Z. Letters and sounds are all you need. Put them together and you can read. All right, friends, so we just sang our action alphabet song, and I thought maybe we could put together some sounds and see if you can guess what words they are. So I'm going to put together sounds that were in our song. So are you ready? K, ut, k, ut, k, ut. Can you guess what it is? K, ut, cut. Cut is k and ut put together. Okay, let's do another one. Ump. Ump. Put it together. Ump. Can you guess what it is? Jump. Ump. Jump. Good. Let's do another one. Let's see. Wiggle. Wiggle. Put it together. Wiggle. Wiggle. Good job. That was really good. You can play that game with your family. You can do other words. I'll do a few other words that are not in our song. Cup, cake. Cup, cake. Put them together. Cup, cake. Cup, cake. Cupcake. Very good. Let's do one more. Outside. Outside. Put those two words together. Outside. Outside. Very good. You can do that with words. You can do that with the sounds of words. Just have some fun with it. Tomorrow, I think that we are going to do something really fun out of the Bible. And keep looking for Friday, because Friday we're going to do something extra fun for Fun Friday. I thought to close today, let's do our closing prayer that we usually do at the end of each school day. Okay, remember, prayer time is serious time. When I pray, soft and low, when I pray, this I know, God will always hear, God will always hear. Now the busy day is done, Father, bless us everyone. Keep us safely as we go, Jesus' love will gladly show. Amen. Have a good rest of your day. See you tomorrow.